I think from our point of view, it's helped. It will help more. I think it's something that we all push to the back of the desk because health and safety is a big scary thing, and Obbi has taken away that fear for a lot of our staff. I'm Neil Hampton. I'm the General Manager here at Royal Dornoch Golf Club. Golf first recorded being played here in 1616. The club itself was formed in 1877. It's grown a lot since the early days, and we now have just over 2,400 members split over both our courses. So it's nice to be here and running one of the best clubs in the world. This is our first year of Obbi Golf, but we onboarded in January this year. It's been tremendous, and I think when other people have asked me about Obbi and whether we should use it or not, I explain that I'm not an in-depth user of it. That's what our teams are for, and that's why they are the ones that are talking about how good it is and telling me how good it is. But what I was there and mostly for was to make sure that when the onboarding started, it was a good product to use, and they had this help and support. And I can vouch very, very highly about the backup systems that Obbi have. And I think during my initial process of the onboarding, I felt we were looked after very, very well. I felt that the team at Obbi are very responsive, very quick, and very helpful. And what I'm looking forward to the expansion of us using the Obbi system for more of the personnel side of things. You know, documents that we still create paper copies for can be used on the Obbi platform. They can be read by staff, signed off. And so I see that the expansion and the use of Obbi will grow with us as we understand and get to know the system better. Obviously, the opening and closing, I think the bar and the catering, the temperature checks in the kitchen, these are all highlighted if they're not done. So I think rather than a piece of paper lying there for somebody to look at and not do anything with, the system's telling you when you're not working and telling you when you're not doing your job properly, which I think is really important for our teams. Not that they forget on purpose. I think we're such a busy environment that a wee reminder popping up on your screen, it really helps them to get it done. And they want to be compliant. We want to be the healthiest and safest golf club, safest business around. And so that helps us do that. We also employ a health and safety consultant. So the good news is that they come around and inspect us and report back to us about are we really doing what we say we're doing. And the list that they provide is getting shorter and shorter. So yes, we are leading in the golf club environment a bit about being a healthy and safe environment. The new clubhouse is purpose designed, it's purpose built, it's 21st century technology that's going in it. We will have lots of scenario planning next year, I'm sure, before we get in about how each area works and how the system will be incorporated into it.